Hi, welcome to this video on our series on common lab tests and lab interpretations for med students. In this video, you're going to learn about the complete blood count test with differential. We'll go over what it measures and how to interpret key findings. Here we go. What is a CBC? A complete blood count, or CBC, is a routine blood test that helps assess overall health and detect a variety of conditions from infections to anemia to leukemia. If your doctor orders one with a differential, the lab is going to count each different type of white blood cell and immature blood cell. It's ordered all the time. You're going to see this on every single rotation as a medical student. What does the CBC measure? The CBC with differential measures 6 different aspects typically. White blood cells or WBCs, red blood cells or RBCs, hemoglobin, hematocrit, platelets, and then the differential. This is breaking down the different types of white blood cells like neutrophils, lymphocytes, monocytes, eosinophils, and basophils. During rounds, you might write your CBC values on your notes just like this. Here are a few key interpretations to keep in mind. For elevated white blood cells, think infection, inflammation, or stress. Pretty broad. If your patient has a high white count, this is called a leukocytosis. A lot of doctors will simply just refer to this as a patient having a white count. It's not very specific, so you're going to have to use your clinical judgment when interpreting. On the other hand, if something like the hemoglobin is low, it often indicates anemia. But the question is why? It could be blood loss, it could be decreased production of red blood cells, or increased destruction of red blood cells. Check out this linked video that can tell you more about anemia. When we think of platelets, if they're elevated, it could be due to inflammation or something more serious, like a malignancy. If platelets are low, you can think about liver failure, bone marrow suppression, or certain medications that inhibit platelet production. So remember, don't just chase the numbers. Always correlate it with the patient's symptoms. And that's it. That's your quick guide to the CBC with differential. As a medical student, if you want to score some brownie points, make sure you see the lab results before the attending gets there. They'll be impressed that you took the time to follow up on the results and interpreted them. You can check out the description below for an entire blog on the 10 most common lab tests you'll see as a medical student. And if you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more medical breakdowns, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions on future series. See you around.